So Google AdWords and Facebook ads are the two main advertising networks, but which one you should use and when? Hi, this is Vishal Kalia from Fashion Marketing, and in this video, I'm going to give you a breakdown of when you should use Google AdWords versus Facebook advertising for your marketing campaign. So keep watching. So before you decide which advertising network to look for, think about the context why people are visiting that particular network. So let's take a look at Google, for example. So Google is very intent-based. So people need something, they have a problem right now and they want a solution to their problem, or they have a question and they want an answer to the question. So people might have a problem, for example, they want to repair their wedding dress. So they will go on Google to search for how to repair my wedding dress or where to repair my wedding dress. Where repair your jewelry, find Burning Man clothing, cheap airline tickets. So users' intent is to solve a problem that they're currently experiencing. That's the reason why they go on Google. So if you have a repair business, a consulting business, accounting business, you have a SaaS application, Google AdWords is a really great place for you to advertise. But it's not relevant for a fashion product because people don't really go on Google to search for jackets or shoes, but unless your fashion product is very specific. So for example, as we talked about for Burning Man, like if I want to find a jacket for Burning Man, I don't really know where to go. So I will go on Google and search for find Burning Man jackets. Or if I want to find best prom dresses or cheap prom dresses, if I'm not familiar with the brand, that's where I will go. So if you have a service business or you have a fashion business that sells very specific, like occasion or event specific products, Google AdWords could be a great place for you to be. So let's look at Facebook advertising. So what is the end user's intent? So people don't go on Facebook when they're looking to buy something or solve a problem. People go on Facebook when they want to see what their friends are up to. So they're scrolling on the newsfeed, looking at friends, newsfeed updates, their images, videos, and so forth. But Facebook is great for broad segmented audience that you can target based on their interest and behavior. So Facebook advertising is great if you are a makeup brand, a beauty brand, a fashion brand, that you are targeting a broader set of audience. So let's say, for example, you have created a new way to do a certain type of makeup. You can actually target a broader set of audience whose interest and behavior are triggered towards makeup and beauty. And then you can have them click on your ad and they're much more likely when they're scrolling through the newsfeed, since that is one of their interests and their behavior, your ad will actually not look like an ad and they're much more likely to pause and take a look at it. So where to land your audience after they have clicked on your ad? So for example, if you have a Facebook ad, then you don't want to land your audience directly on your selling page because people's intent, they're not looking to buy your product. Their intent is to explore the product more. So if somebody is clicking on your Facebook ad, bring them on an information page on your site which talks about your brand, talks about why your particular makeup item is different than rest of the stuff. So give it more like an educational and informational material. Versus Google ads, when somebody is searching to solve their particular problem, you can land them on a product page where they're more likely to buy the product, or land them on a contact us page where they can come and fill out the contact us form and contact you if they need their dress to be repaired or they need to hire you as a consultant. So how much does it cost to set advertisement on Google versus Facebook? So on Google, your cost per click can range between $2 to $6 depending on the industry you're in, and it could be even more. So for example, insurance industry, their cost per click can range between $50 to $60. But on Facebook, if you are even familiar with the basic concept, you can easily get your cost per click between 50 cents and $1. So to sum up, Google AdWords is great when you're selling products and services that are intent-based, and Facebook ads are great when you're targeting broader audience for your product. So follow these basic principles when you're running ads on Facebook ads versus Google, and it will help you reduce your cost per click and actually get a better conversion rate. So hi, this is Vishal Kalia from Fashion Marketing, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them in the form of a comment, and please do subscribe to our channel. It encourages us to keep making videos and actually help you in your business. So thank you very much for your time and have an awesome day.